What is going on, everybody? 392 reviews here. Want to do a quick, you know, while I'm in the middle of a vlog, I want to do a quick comparison on Mid-Muffler Delete versus non-Mid-Muffler Delete. Wait till Rich. Jesse, come on talk to him real quick. So we got my man Jesse. Go ahead, shout out your social media, man.
What's going on? Follow me at ace_Daytona 392 on Instagram.
Yep, link gonna be in the description.
On the way.
On the way. Drop a comment, Jesse start the YouTube. Hashtag Jesse start the YouTube. Rich, you got anything to say? Come talk to the people. So we got the red Daytona. This one is Mid-Muffler Delete, and then we got the F8 green Daytona. This one is stock. We also got my badge on over here, stock as well. Rich, you got anything you want to say?
Yeah, I forgot what y'all. I missed y'all. Damn, I missed the whole jump.
It's all right. It's all good, man. Cause remember what I said, man. We winging it. We're not worried about none of that.
How's the conversation going?
Shout out, just shout out. We about to just get right into it. We just got right into it. So
YouTube 392 Rich. I already know what's going on. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, 392 Rich with 2 H's.
Link's gonna be in the description.
YouTube 392 Rich.
Which one y'all want to do first?
Don't matter.
Should we get the stock on first? Let's do the stock one first. So this is 100% stock, factory stock, non-Mid-Muffler Delete. Oh, he got the key. That's what it is. He got the key. I'll be doing that same thing too.
Yeah, I remember mine sounding like that.
So that is 100% stock, 6'4", 392 stock, no Mid-Muffler Deletes, no nothing. 100% stock. Let y'all hit a little bit of a rumble, and then we about to start.
Oh, let's start yours.
Oh, nah, cause it's gonna sound the same like that. It's gonna sound the same. you just wanna, man, you just wanna shut all of us out, huh? You just wanna put all the noise.
This shit way louder than mine, so I ain't about it. Yeah.
Mid-muff. Yeah, a little red. Get him a little red. You getting the Mid-Muffler Delete? I'm gonna have to get the Mid-Muffler Delete. I'm gonna have to get the Mid-Muffler Delete. And this is the first time, cause I wouldn't have parked it if I didn't
hear it like on the road. That shit be loud.
Man, when I heard you gun down Main Street the other day in Manioc, I heard that drum, bro. I was like, damn, I heard the red. Yeah, I heard the red, and I was just like, let me just see if that was him. You know? Let me just see if that was him.
Yeah, I be drawing your hood, bro.
yeah,
I be drawing his hood.
Yeah, always. Yeah, man, I'm gonna have to get the Mid-Muffler Delete. Cause honestly, man,
what you was gonna get? You was gonna get the what you was gonna get? You was gonna get something to you.
I was honestly looking at getting the actual exhaust system, like an AWE tuning exhaust system, like
Mid-Muffler Delete, man.
That's what I'm saying. You talking
Mid-Muffler Delete.
We talking about.
You get what I'm saying, bro?
$150.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm thinking about getting the 5-inch.
Yeah, make it fill out. Fill it out.
It just looking, man. It's just like a cat.
Get them black tips also. I'm gonna get some black tips. So yeah, we gonna end the video right there. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to throw a like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Y'all don't want to miss anything. Finally, I wanted to bring y'all a video with the, the difference between the, the Mid-Muffler Delete and then a stock. And then we had a little bit of a, some people come over. We got mine over here. We got the Hellcat over here. So, we just doing 392 things. But yeah, finally get to hear them side by side and compare. Man, I might have to cut them. Man, I might have to cut them. Yeah, I'm gonna cut them. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Thank y'all so much for watching. All the links to all the description all the social media stuff will be in the description. And then we're gonna have a soon to be 392. Soon to be.
I already see it.
Soon to be.
I already see it.
But he
it's already here.
But he want the challenger. He want the challenger. Get the challenger.
It's in the garage.
Get the two-door.
Challenge. If you gotta get a challenge, you gotta get like I feel like you gotta get a white one. Right?
The white.
I'm looking at too with a black hood and shit.
What about the TA though with the black?
Challenger cats different, bro. They don't only, bro. Challenger cats, bro. They don't want some raise pound of payment. Oh, demon. Oh, dying. What the demon? Okay. I ain't gonna lie, I like this color though.
Link's gonna be in the description. Thank y'all so much for watching. 392 Reviews. Checking out.